it's me Amber and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a makeup tutorial and it's going to be a summer eyeshadow look. And I am filming this because it's actually the last post of my season series on my makeup Instagrams. If you don't follow me on that, then there's a link in the description box and you should go check it out. So let's get into today's video. I'm going to prime with the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser. I'm just going to put a little bit of this all over my face. For foundation today, I'm going to take the Rimmel Wake Me Up foundation in number 10 Light Porcelain. It just looks like this. And I'm going to do a couple pumps on the back of my hand. I'm going to start by taking a foundation brush and just put this all over my face, and then I'm going to blend it in with a little blending sponge. I'm going to conceal today with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C3. And I'm going to place this, oh my god, this mirror. I'm going to place this underneath my eyes to highlight under there. I'm going to put a bit on my forehead and then on any blemishes I have. I'm also just going to blend this in again with the same blending sponge. I'm going to powder with the Rimmel Stay Matte powder. I'm just going to put a bit of this all over my face. To bronze, I'm going to take the Avon Glow bronzing powder in Warm Glow. And I haven't used this for so long because I literally use this in the summertime because that's when it looks best. And I'm going to take it on this Eco Tools brush and just bronze up my face. Can you guys see this? I put way too much on. I'm going to have to go back over with my sponge to try make it look better. It looks so bad. This side's okay. This side, way too much. I'm going to leave highlighter till last, so I'm going to start on my eyebrows with the Sleek Au Natural palette and use the shade right here. I'm going to use the Morphe M158 brush and some brow gel. And also my arm really hurts. I got injections in both arms today at school. And this arm doesn't hurt anymore, but this one kills. But this is the hand that I use to do my makeup as well, but gotta do this video. I filled in my eyebrows and I primed my eyes with this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow primer. Also just swatched some I also swatched some shades on my arm so I could see. Because when I do because it's summer, I do pinks and yellows. So I was looking at the different shades and shimmers I have. So I've got these ones. So we're going to start on eyeshadow now. I'm going to start by taking the shade Pukey, which is this one in the middle, out of the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just going to run this right through my crease. That's really pigmented. I didn't think it was going to be that pigmented. Oh my. Okay. Guys, oh my god. I think I might have just ruined it. Hopefully not. I'm just going to take another brush and just try blend this out because this is way too much. Decided to do a halo eye, so I'm going to take the shade Creamsicle and I'm going to place this on the inner corner and outer corner of my eyelid. Every time I do an eyeshadow look, I never really know what I'm doing, but I'm going to take this cream concealer by MUA and I'm going to I don't know how to explain do the halo eye thing. I don't know how else to explain it, but I'm going to take a bit of concealer. And then this is how the eyeshadow looks right now. It's yellow. But we're going to go right down the middle. I got all my eyelashes. I'm gonna do right in the middle and then like make a line. I hope like you guys can see this. And then kind of fill it in. And I'm just gonna do this on the other eye as well. Right, so this one turned out way better than this one, which this was the one that I showed you guys on camera, but this one turned out better. I think I put too much concealer on this one, and it kind of just went a bit weird. But next, I'm going to go in with the pink shadow, and I think I'm going to take this one out of the Tropical Oceana palette by MUA, and I only want to do like really like a small bit because I know this is quite pigmented. So I'm going to take a little bit on my brush, tap off the excess, and I'm just going to do it on the edges and kind of blend it together because I don't want to do it on the middle yet. I'm going to do it like here. It's looking like this. It kind of looks like an ice cream cone, but I'm now just going to blend it a bit more. I've now done the blending part, so now I'm going to fill in the middle of it with this, and this is by the brand Color Couture Bright Pigments, and it's like a really pretty pink shade. Oh my gosh, that my mirror just went into my eyeshadow palette. It's this really pretty pink shade, and I'm going to take this on a flat brush and literally just put a bit right in the centre. Okay, so now I put the pink pigment on. That's what it looks like, and I want to bring back a bit more of like the yellowy gold colour. Let me just fix this lighting. Okay, so I'm going to take another one of their pigments, and this one is like a gold yellow, and this really just comes across as, you can't really see it because of the light, but it's like just shimmery and like has a bit of flexing, like gold flexing. So I'm going to take some of this on the same brush I used the yellow on because then it'll add a bit more colour. I'm just going to do this for the outer and inner corner of my eyes. Like, look at this. You can't really see because of the light, but they're actually really good. I'm just gonna like show you guys a bit better what it's looking like. So now I'm going to take it a step further and I'm going to put some pink eyeliner. I got this like a couple weeks ago, and it's one of the NYX Vivid Brights one, and this is Vivid Fire, and it's like this really hot pink colour. I've used it once and it was really good. So I'm going to do a wing. I've done the liquid liner and it actually turned out pretty good. It doesn't normally go this well, so I'm really happy about that. But next I'm going to curl my eyelashes and then apply the Thick and Fast mascara by Soap and Glory. Do highlighter now, and use the one out of the Flat Box by Soap and Glory, and it's this one right here. Oops. And this is called Glow All. Are you kidding me? It's called Glow All Out. So I'm going to take this on the Morphe M501 brush. And I don't actually know how this is going to be, because last time I was going to use this, I thought it was a blush, but it's a highlighter. So I've got a bit on there. I'm going to apply this. Let's see how this looks. Okay, so it's kind of like subtle, but it's like quite pretty at the same time. I don't know if you guys can see. It doesn't like show up on camera, but when I look into the mirror that I have over here. Look, the light's hitting it perfect and it's actually like really pretty. So I'm going to apply this to the other side. I'm going to use this bubblegum lip scrub by Lush just to make my lips really nice and smooth. For my lips today, I'm going to take the Soap and Glory Sexy Mother Pucker in Candy Queen. I'm going to apply this. I'm going to finish off by taking the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix spray and spray my face. So this is the final look. I think it's really summery and cute. So if you do want to see like more pictures of this, head over to my makeup account, which will be on screen now, and link is in the description box. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.